Previously, we had an amazing race in Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, and Malaysia. And this time, we are going to travel for a weekend staycation in the southern Luzon of the Philippines, known as the City of Seven Lakes, San Pablo, Laguna. And before anything else, let me introduce myself. It's me again, the Wayner, your travel and lifestyle vlogger, giving you a list of your travel itineraries which you can truly enjoy. Also, don't forget to support this channel by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. And follow my social media accounts and my online travel articles in Manila Bulletin Lifestyle. So guys, we're actually going on a weekend overnight staycation going south here in the Philippines, specifically in Laguna or San Pablo, Laguna. And we're now in SLEX. Okay, so it's a bit slow moving because of the toll gate. Okay, it's actually a 2 hours drive coming from Mandaluyong all the way to San Pablo, Laguna. So we'll be visiting this bed and breakfast hotel, which I really wanted to visit since last year, and finally we'll be able to see it. So guys, whenever I'm not traveling outside the country, I normally travel, of course, by land here in the Philippines, and of course, you know, using my car, or if not, of course, if we have to go to another island here in the Philippines, then of course we take the plane, or perhaps the train or the bus, you know. So I hope we'll really love this bed and breakfast in Laguna. And I hope you guys are excited also to see that overnight weekend staycation, which you can also try if you visit San Pablo, Laguna. So guys, we finally arrived here at Sulyap Bed and Breakfast, and apparently medyo makulimlim, so we will try to speed up because we don't want to be exposed to the rain. So I hope we'll have a good overnight weekend staycation here at Sulyap Bed and Breakfast. We'll show you the room tour later on and some of the amenities of this very, you know, relaxing bed and breakfast here at San Pablo, Laguna. So bilisan lang natin guys, we'll make it very fast because it's actually about to rain. Sakto, we've arrived this place and we're actually looking for the check-in counter, but I think it's actually over there. We'll see it, but the houses here are really the type of the heritage houses here in the Philippines, which we should be very proud because it's very unique here in the Philippines. It used to really sprout in the Philippines during the Spanish colonial era. So medyo madalim lang, it's quite dark, but you'll see the houses and I'll show it to you guys later on. They also have some cafe, so if you're just around here at San Pablo, Laguna, you can basically just hang out here, chill, and take some coffee, and I'll show it to you guys as well. So guys, we finally arrived here at Sulyap Bed and Breakfast at San Pablo, Laguna. And here's actually the room. Okay, so what I like about this room is actually you'll really feel that you're staying on an old house, no? May echo actually yung sound, no? So if you look at the furnitures, you know, yung mga bed, okay, are really made from wood, okay? And we have this chandelier. Okay. And yung CR, yung door ng CR is not the typical door. Okay. And of course, yung lavatory. So guys, since it's raining and it's past 5 p.m., we're gonna take our dinner, and I'm with Mark G. Okay, we were supposed to be 3 in this travel, but Rafi, our travel buddy, when we went to Pagsanhan, couldn't join again. So the last call for the dinner is actually 7 p.m. So we're gonna take our dinner as early as 5:30 p.m. So guys, we're now here at the restaurant at Sulyap Cafe. And what I like about this place is, of course, they're basically eating in a heritage house, but according to the staff of Sulyap, these heritage houses are not really originally built in this place. It was actually coming from a different place and was transplanted back, and I mean transplanted to this place and rebuilt, and that's why you'll see you'll really see the difference, because it appears that it wasn't really based in this location. So we already ordered our food. My feedback only, it's I think they're not well organized, if I may call it, because we waited for quite a bit just to make an order. I have to go down again just to ask for a waiter. I'm not sure if it's because of the weather that the staff are slowing down, because it's raining and it's almost 6 p.m. And if you're gonna order food here, most of the food here are Filipino dishes. Okay, and the price, it's actually ranging from 300 and up. Okay, for a crab and corn soup, that's 260 per serving, but it can serve 2 to 3 persons. So basically, we have this menu. It's for 2 to 3 persons for all of the serving. And what's good about it is that they're accepting major credit cards. So if you bring your credit card or debit card, definitely you can actually use your cards to pay for the food. Well, right now the place is wet because of the rain, but hopefully tomorrow it's not going to be like that, because walking in this area is not really that pleasant, because of it's quite the soil or the ground is actually wet, so you have to be extra careful. Also, if you're going here, you have to take note that there is a steps or a stairs going to the restaurant, okay, on the second floor. However, you have to be extra careful when climbing the stairs, especially if you have some old folks along with you, you wanted to stay in this place, and definitely you need to make sure that you're really guiding them when they climb up the stairs. So, but yeah. This is a very, very relaxing place because of the greeneries, the plants, and the people who are eating are really mostly Filipinos. Group of I think family get together and enjoying their time in this post-pandemic era. So there, serving time for the food is actually 45 minutes. So you have to make sure that before you head here for dinner or for lunch, you have to, brace yourself for that wait time, because the food, it will be served really fresh and cooked really fresh. There's also a cafe down below, and they're offering different types of beverages, hot and cold. And if you wanted to have great coffee or tea or other beverages on a sunny afternoon or in the morning, then you can actually go there. Serving time, or the last order in this restaurant, is at 7 p.m. only. So you have to go here early, because you have to wait 45 minutes for them to serve the food for you guys. So there. So guys, our food is finally served. So we'll be taking our dinner. So what we actually order is nilagang manok na tinola. So guys, finally our food has been served. So this is our food. Okay. So what we actually ordered is tinola na manok na Tagalog. Okay. Pork barbecue, garlic rice, although ang partner ng tinola should be plain rice, but we still want garlic rice. And we've ordered saging con yelo, yellow con saging yung nakalagay doon, or banana con yelo. Alright, so there for our dessert. So we're gonna shout because we've waited for 45 minutes for this, and we're gonna enjoy our dinner here at
On our second day, we are going to eat breakfast and explore Sulyap and find out what's inside this secret garden. So don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe, because here, you're the winner.